There's fish under here. Oh my God. Got another good one. Feels alright too, this one. I don't feel like I'm in too much trouble though. Oh, he's a cracker too. Look how many fish came out with him. I was just so confident coming out today. It's just been such good weather. And now we've got some wind. Like glass. He's a cracker as well. That's what I love this rod. It just cushions it so much. Like there's two really good fish, eh? Like these are cracker. They're two of my biggest fish that I've caught in the last 2 outings, I reckon. Check him out. Here's another cracking fish. Two good fish now. Okay, there he is.